Ināia nei ka uaua ake e te hoko whare.
I think the grant was good. At the same time, for me, I wasn't eligible.
Kua taua ki te minita a Chris Bishop, kua whakakorengia te pūtea tautoko mō ngā kaiwhiwhi whare hou. I tēnei tau, kua hoko a Mitchell Drever me tōna hoa rangatira i tā rāua whare tuatahi. Engari, kāore rāua e āhei ana te whakamahi i te pūtea tautoko. Ko tā Drever, he tino uraua ngā āhuatanga whiwhi whare.
This grant would have been great because house prices are very high at the moment, so we ended up paying a lot more than we wanted to for this house. And as a result of that, we didn't have as many savings left over for things like appliances and furniture. So if we had the grant, it would have made it a bit easier for us.
It's money that's going back into the economy. It's money for the families as well as an opportunity. You're taking that away from them means that how are they going to try and secure their first home as a family? That means that they may have to struggle and pay for something else that they don't want to.
Ko tā te mema pāremata a Tākuta Ferris, he kōpū ngahuru tēnei whakakorenga a te kāwanatanga. Waihoki he taumahatanga anō mo te iwi Māori.
To take away the supports that are there to help young people get into the housing market is grossly unfair. Te iwi Māori, only 30% of our people own a home. We're amongst the lowest percentage of homeowners in this country. So it's hugely detrimental for young Māori.
I think it's great. They've got to do the hard yards to get the country back on the road, because the last government, 6 years, have bankrupted us. So what we can't afford, they're going to have to stop doing. I mean, it's ridiculous.
I te rā nei, kōrero kia mana tai, kai mahi whiwhi whare, kai whakahaere pāmu hoki mō Mana and Mitch. Ko tōna aki ki te hunga hiehia whiwhi whare, me tāpiri pūtea ki ngā Kiwi Savers, kia ngā wari ake te hoko atu.
It's kind of devastating that there are people who are my age who are now further away from being able to buy their first home. I think a lot of people were relying on that grant to come through to support them with their first houses, and now that's not something that's on the cards for them.
Yeah, I think it'll definitely affect people my age trying to buy their first house. It would have helped a lot. Hope they can put something in place that helps first home buyers, because currently there's nothing.
Ko te tūmana ko ia, ka whai te kāwana I tētahi atu huarahi tautoko I te hunga hiehia hoko whare. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.
Ko te reo.